Eya Semu Coach Prosper Ogum Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach the Nchechemu aba regarding Danlad Ibrahim. Ye dropping and I say Danlad Ibrahim nsema okan ya ekofa say Kotoko ni Great Olympics no. No kan team no ho. But Danlad den nsem bi ekoto goalkeepers trainer anim. And a goalkeepers trainer no ebe catch no. Goalkeepers trainer ebe catch no. Ena Danlad Ibrahim ono asa call no ho ena okobusa no na Danlad still na the oka no na ya semben ena Danlad ka kire no in this era makaze kotoko here psychologist Danlad Ibrahim nsema o ka kire coach Ogum according to coach Ogum press conference a course after the game no wacheche bibia mu na coach Ogum ne onsom yes or say before the game no ono de 20-man squad or the Danlad aka ho a obi anim say Danlad ena ebeba da goal no o say ho ana Danlad ekoka che goalkeepers trainer no na ja o say psychologically and mentally ono Danlad no onye ready say obeda goal no because feeling aya unya ahead of match day no anope unya sa feeling no will ena coach say ye de betu nanim sa. After that, Osako who Danlad kasa na Danlad is still na mentally and psychologically on you ready into untimi and has what and as I don't cause sanity at the end there is no need to become match day crown because those untimi and me found what's na bench crown as in ba ya call on you and more management IMC ni nyina ka bom no mo se sanitary o mo for the kasar ba nti asem no the tintin ni tietie nyina no Danlad say na onye psychologically and mentally ready at this stage asem we me me pese me ma comment in a subsequent video no ye be kire adwe pa